Hi there, it's Liz Yuille. It's a Sunday, so normally I wouldn't be here, but I thought I'd come and just do a special straight on to camera. It's not often you get to see me, you normally just see my hands. However, we've started a new Stamping Up year. Our Stamping Up year runs from October to the end of September. So I thought it would be a great time to come and talk to everyone about the opportunity that is Stamping Up. So I signed up with Stamping Up just over 2 years ago. I did what everybody else does. I bought the starter kit. The starter kit is an amazing deal. It's the best deal in the catalogue. Pretty much any time of the year, the starter kit is the best deal in the catalogue. For, in the UK, just £99, you get to pick what you want, up to £130 worth of value. So go through the annual catalogue, the autumn-winter catalogue, the clearance rack, any specials that happen to be going on a particular month. You get to pick £130 of product that you want, and you only pay £99, and that includes delivery. So it's an amazing deal because it's £130 of product plus £4.95 postage and packing normally. So best part of £135 for £99. That's a pretty good saving. So then what? Well, because it's the beginning of a quarter, because October is the beginning of a quarter, you actually don't have to do anything. You don't have to worry about anything until after the end of the year. If you want to place another order, then obviously that would be great. You would get a 20% net discount, and you would get any customer benefits that you would have got had you been a customer. So if you placed an order of £150, you'll still get stamping rewards, but you'll also get your net 20% discount. So it's a wonderful time to join because you can get all your Christmas crafting and all your Christmas crafting prezzies for a net discount of 20%. So, okay, so we get to the end of December. Then what? I can hear you asking that question. The requirement to continue as a demonstrator is that you either sell or buy for yourself the equivalent in retail value of about £270 in a quarter. So remember, you get 20% as a starter, you get 20% discount off that. So it's £270 less your net discount of 20%. So it's not a huge amount. And you do that once every quarter, and it starts in your second quarter. So if you were to sign up in October, your second quarter would be January, February, March next year. Now is a great time to sign up anyway, but you also, as a demonstrator, will get to order not only your Christmas goodies from the autumn winter catalogue and obviously anything from the annual catalogue, but also when the spring, summer and celebration catalogues come out, which for demonstrators, they come out at the end of the year because we get them a month early, you will be able to get your new goodies, your spring, summer goodies at a discount, and they will count towards that first requirement of a quarter's sales of £270. So you could spread that over the 6 months. So you don't have to wait until the end of December. You can spread it right the way over that first 6-month period, which is brilliant, which is why joining at the beginning of a quarter is such a great idea, because you get the whole of 6 months. If you were to join later, then you still get your first quarter free, but it's the first actual quarter. So if you were to join in November, your first quarter would be 2 months. So joining at the beginning of a quarter is perfect. Joining any time is great, but joining at the beginning of a quarter is just ideal. So my recommendation would be join now, get your Christmas crafting goodies sorted out, get your Christmas crafty friends their prezzies at a discount. And remember, we've got planners, we've got all-inclusive kits, we've got everything. So don't just think crafty friends. If you've got someone who is at college or sixth form or, you know, university, or just likes planners generally, get them the planner at a discount. They'll love it. So if you want any more information about joining up, obviously it would be lovely if you were to join my team. I've got a really nice team of ladies. Now, it would be great if we could have some men in that team as well. I like a bit of bouncing of ideas. I think to have a bit wider influence is good. We've got people in Scotland, we've got people in Wales, we've got London, we've got Essex, we've got all over the country. We do a lot of meetings via Facebook Live. We've got a nice active little Facebook group. So we have regular Facebook Live meetings. You can also come to the larger team meetings, so not just my team, but the larger team. And we have some amazing team events, and they're generally sort of fairly central in the country. You can also come to On Stage if you're a demonstrator, which is the twice yearly conference that Stampin' Up run, which is the most fantastic event. I'm due to go off to Orlando in November for the big 30th anniversary event, which will be fantastic. I get to spend a day at Disney, which Stampin' Up are very kindly paying for me to go to. So I'm thrilled by that. I've also earned the event free. So you get to have all sorts of benefits from being a Stampin' Up demonstrator. It's not just about earning money. It's more about meeting people, sharing ideas at these both the team events and at the large on-stage Stampin' Up events. We do swaps. I'm in the middle of preparing about 250 swaps for my visit to Orlando. So busy, busy, busy. So yes, it would be wonderful if you would like to join my team of Sparkling Sunflowers. As I say, we're a really great bunch. We get on really well. We have some really fun times. Even if we don't meet face to face that often, we do meet via Facebook. And I'm hoping to set up some more interactive meetings. There are other applications that we can do that through. I have a reward program for my team to encourage them and to reward them just for being them, whether it's because they won a team challenge or they promoted or whatever. I do share the rewards around. So if you've got any questions, please do let me know. I have got some leaflets which are probably going to come out looking back to front. I don't know quite how this works when it comes out. It's back to front as I see it. So I have got leaflets on what it's like to join Stampin' Up. There's also information over on my website, and I'll put a link to that post immediately below here. So I'll link to the main join my team post, and also I'll write a post specifically about this video. So there'll be two links in the YouTube video below. I hope to welcome you to the team very soon. If you are having a fun Sunday, I hope it's amazing. If you're having a more serious Sunday, I hope that's amazing too. Wherever you are, I hope you're having a great time. And I should explain, I've just realised that you can see my my knitted duvet. It's actually not a knitted duvet, it's an IKEA duvet cover. Where I have my laptop in my craft room / study, there's a door here straight through to the garage, and in the middle of winter it gets incredibly cold. So I've started already to take my winter preparation steps. So I've got a little duvet hanging to try and keep the cold that way, and me nice and warm. And I thought the knitted duvet cover would help me feel cozy. So that's what that is. Anyway, thank you very much indeed, and I hope to see you again soon.